Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting 10 to 12 sight words that are just beyond the child's current comfort level, so you get growth, not frustration. Once chosen, arrange the cards in a small stack face down and set a 60 to 90-second timer for each review round. This keeps momentum. Make sure the child is sitting at eye level and has a small reward token visible. Now flip the first card and ask them to read, giving only brief, specific prompts if needed. You move into active practice by using a rapid drill. Show each card and expect a response within about 3 seconds to build automaticity. While they answer, combine visual and motor cues. Point to letters, have them trace the word on the card, and say it aloud together to reinforce memory. Once done with a small run, shuffle to interleave known and newer words. This spacing helps retention. If errors happen, model the word, have them repeat, then revisit it sooner in the... You finish by doing a 2-minute cumulative review so every word gets one final exposure. This consolidates learning. Make sure to give concise, specific praise for accurate reads and a small tangible reward when the session ends to reinforce motivation. If the child repeatedly struggles with a particular word, break it into chunks, point out patterns, and try a tactile activity like using finger paint or sand to trace the letters. This often uncovers where the breakdown occurs and provides an alternate route to mastery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.